Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch a manual WRX. First, ensure your engine is at its optimal operating temperature. This is crucial for consistent power delivery. Next, find a flat, clear, and safe area with excellent traction. Before you begin, remember to disable traction control and vehicle dynamics control. This allows for maximum power transfer to the wheels without electronic interference, giving you full control over the launch. Now, let's get into the launch technique itself. Fully depress the clutch pedal and smoothly engage first gear. Bring the engine RPMs up to between 4,000 and 5,000. This range typically puts the WRX in its power band for a strong start. As you quickly but smoothly release the clutch, simultaneously apply full throttle. The goal is to find that sweet spot where the tires just begin to bite without excessive wheel spin. After a successful launch, smooth and quick shifting is key to maintaining acceleration. As your RPMs approach the red line in first gear, shift decisively into second. Each subsequent gear change should also be firm and quick. The goal is to minimize the time the clutch is disengaged, keeping power flowing to the wheels. Practice will help you find the rhythm and feel for your specific WRX, ensuring you maximize its performance through every gear. Remember, launching a manual WRX effectively takes practice. The more you do it, the more consistent your launches will become, and you'll also learn to minimize unnecessary wear on your drivetrain. Pay close attention to your engine's sound and the car's feel. These cues are vital for perfecting your timing. And speaking of enhancing your experience, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to bring your space to life. Keep practicing and enjoy the thrill of your WRX.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.